This right here is a 50-gallon gas Bradford white power vent water heater tank. Yesterday, Thanksgiving Day, got a service call for a unit that wasn't firing, or it wasn't lighting up and staying lit. So went out there, took a look at it. You know, pan was full. Expansion tank was waterlogged. Telltale sign of overpressurization or overheating, and this is what happened. I have air on the tank right now, very little. We don't want to bomb here, but as you can see, there's a weld joint on the inside that was leaking, and Bradford White, of course, doesn't want to cover that, which is, it's a business. They can't cover everything. Thought this was interesting. The amount of, get the right angle, of deformed metal where the burner was. And the oval, how it ovaled out where the baffle's in there. I got the gas control valve here. I noticed that the setting was on C, which is, you know, way above where it should be. And there was not a water softener. Ohio water is very hard. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Stripped down. There's no repairing that. You're on a good one if you're trying to repair that. So that's what it looks like.